Okay, so this video is going to be about how to install the spring on the BDM-10 and 20 modules on PS5 controllers. I have a little video putting the spring back on for like the 30, 40, and 50 models, but it's a little different here, and it's a little more involved to take the whole trigger out because you got to remove this module and take all the screws out of the module. So what you want to do is have some tweezers, and I find it easier to hook it under the trigger first. So there's a little slot here that sits in, and then you just want to hold it in place and then grab it, and I'm trying to keep this in the camera. Bend it over until it snaps into this little slot right there. And there you go. Trigger's installed again. These ones do, because these are a little bit smaller and weaker springs than are on the later models. So I do see these break fairly often. So I hope this video helped you out, and stay tuned for more repair videos.